Hi dancers! Happy St. Patrick's Day! We're wearing our green over here at Miss Sherilyn's studio. And did you know that there's a tap move called the Irish?
The Irish, yes.
Do you want to learn it? Awesome! Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to pick up your foot. You're going to hide that foot. Alright? You're going to shuffle. Shuffle. Then you're going to hop, hop, step. This might be a step that you already know. Let's try with our left foot. Shuffle, hop, step. Let's just do it over and over together. Ready? Here we go. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step. Freeze. How many sounds are we going to shuffle, hop, step again?
4.
4. You want to do it with some music? Making all 4 sounds over and over again?
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's bounce. 2. Here we go with that foot. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step.